Well, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, unlike a watch review, I am going to make a review of an EDC tool and something I think that is carried worldwide, and it has also been my favorite, and it's a Leatherman, as you can see the logo here. So this is a Leatherman made signal multi-tool that I'm going to show you here. The product code is 832404. So it is made in the USA, and this is the box. So I will go ahead and unbox it. So this is the paperwork here. I won't try to show much of this, so let's cut to the chase. So this is the Leatherman Signal Coyote Tan colored multi-tool here, and this one is the heavy duty nylon carrying case. As you can see, it's quite well made, and it is a belt mount, a belt carry, or you can also simply put this on any molly vest or any military vest if you carry one in your outdoor activities. So this is the heavy duty nylon carrying case. This is the box here, and this one is the multi-tool. So I will keep it aside. So I will simply show you how it goes into this. So it simply goes into this. You can, or this reverse way anyway. It is a bit tight because it is new. So here it goes like this, and you simply close it when you carry this outside. And now the time for the review of this tool. So this particular multi-tool is something that I have been carrying in some recent times, and I am really elated to show you this particular tool. So this is one of the best tool that I have, and it has, I think, around 19 functions. So let's go ahead and I will briefly tell you about all the functions one by one. So it is mentioned here, it is laser etched Leatherman signal here, and this Leatherman is a registered trademark. This is a USA based company that has been manufacturing these EDC tools for quite a long time. The first tool is here. This is a carabiner that you can simply put a paracord here and simply hang it to your extension cords or paracords that you have in your everyday carry baggage, or your outdoor backpack. And here you see the second tool here, right here is the hex bolt opener. You can see the hexagon cut open here. The third tool is a minimalistic hammer here that you can simply hold like this and hammer onto something, but for light purpose only, not too much of a heavy duty kind of stuff. The fourth tool here is the ferrocium rod. It simply comes out and you can create sparkles from here for lighting a fire in the outdoor environment. This is quite good stuff. The fifth tool here is the diamond coated sharpener that you can use to sharpen your all the blades. But now let's come to the the actual Leatherman feature, that is this, how it opens to be a simple plier. So a simple thin nosed plier right here with a very nice black DLC coating on this. Leatherman mentioned here. This is a classic tool for every Leatherman that you have in the market. Now let's go to the features of this particular needle nose plier. As you can see that this particular needle nose pliers have grips made here, so you can simply hold on to anything and just repair it, pull it, or twist it. Especially in the outdoor environment, it is really needed when you are doing some wire works or some kind of other stuff. But one thing, that only use this needle nose plier in outdoor work and not in the electrical work, because there is no insulation anywhere. Do not use it on live electrical cables or something like that. If the electricity system is unpowered, then only you can use this, but please proceed with safety. So here you can see these are the tool steel thick and thin wire cutter right here, this one. So these are removable and replaceable by these screws, this, and here it is this. So these are heavy duty wire cutter, the thin wire cutter, and the bottom side is the thick wire cutter. And now let's go to the other features of this particular tool. So what I will do, that I will simply close it for now, and then I will open it again. So here it comes. The other tool here is a 6.93 centimeter long metal blade, very fine, very sharp, short blade. It is a totally legal in India because it is a very small blade. I think hardly it is around 2 inches or something like that, with serrations here, because these serrations are very much used for cutting rope, etc. So this is something, a very nice feature in a blade for an outdoor purpose. So this one is a liner lock. So you simply press the liner and you fold this onto this place where it simply goes into safety. So it's a very good thing. The another tool here is this one. You simply take it out, and this is again a locking wood saw. This is a very flexible one because wood saws are usually flexible. So this is something, a very good tool that you can use to simply saw little small woods in the forest or in a camp to light a fire. So this is something really nice. So again, there is a small liner lock here. You press this and it goes back into its place. Now I will show you the next ones. I will simply reopen the tool now. Yeah. So here are some of more tools right now. I will show. This is an owl. This is simply used to create hole into thick leather or thick sheets of some hard plastic or something like that, to create something useful in the forest, to sew some fabrics, the thick fabrics and everything. And this is the thread hole right here, and it again simply locks into the place. So what I will do, that I will simply close it like this, and it looks really good for working. So you press this lock, it goes into this place, and it has a common lock for all the tools right here. So I will take these out and this out both. So this one again is a hex bit kind of tool here. This is a multiple twin screwdriver kind of. One is Phillips and one is flathead screwdriver, and it simply goes into this. So just in case in forest you need some kind of tooling or opening some stuffs to do, and this is something that I think it is very important. Either this one or this one, very important standard size of screw, the flathead one. So whatever it may, there can be, you can simply use this. You can also purchase the additional tool heads for this, the extenders as well. Those are available separately, not with this. So again, you press this and it goes back into the place. The next tool I think is this one. This is the can opener as well as bottle opener for opening those juice cans or the bottles if you are getting some cold drink stuff in your camping place or anywhere. So this is something you must have. So this is extremely nice. And now let us see some other features of this particular tool. Let me show you how you get this sharpener out right here. If you need to sharpen all the blades, so you simply press this, you pull it back, and it simply comes out. So this is the diamond sharpener. You take any of the blades out. Let us say you take this knife out, and you can simply sharpen the blades here as well as the serrations right here, and it will give it a really nice, really hair popping sharp kind of feel. So I will simply pop back the knife in slowly, because for the sake of safety, and then I will simply put this right here, and it goes right into its place and simply locks here, and here it is, it won't come out again. So it stays here and it locks in the place. Another one is the ferrocium rod for creating fire. So you can also simply take this out, and I think it comes out like this. You push this, it has now come out, and this is the ferrocium rod. So how you create the fire from this? It's a very simple tool, and it's a very nice tool. Now let's close the particular tool now, and like this you take the knife out like this, and from the opposite stock of the knife here and holding the tool like this here, you can rub this and sparks will fly out to your, whatever whittles and whatever feather sticks you have gathered here, or some fire lighting wood arrangement. You can simply light it on fire for your camping purposes. So let us simply close the blade right here, and here it is. And what I will do now, I will simply keep this ferrocium rod back into its place. So it simply goes down like this. It goes down like this slowly, and it goes and locks into its particular place. So this is how it goes into its particular position. It comes back to lock into its own place. A little tricky, but perfectly doable. So I will just try to put it back into the place, and it has, I hope not. Has it locked? No. So there is a technique for it. I will show you. Just because it needs to be securely placed in its position, you put it like this in this place on the slot, and then push this, and now it has locked. See, perfectly. So it goes back into this place, and this is the lock. You pull it down so that it won't come out again, even accidentally. So what more? So now let me tell you that this particular knife or this particular multi-tool here has a replaceable clip. The blades are made of 420 SC stainless steel. There are for some 440C parts as well, and it is a combination, a wholesome tool here, and a very, very handy. I think it fits into your palm, and really good. Totally legal. You can buy it anywhere in India. It is available in Amazon, Flipkart, and many other places as well, those who are authorized distributors. So this is the Leatherman Signal multi-tool, something that you should have in your car, in your rucksack, in your backpack. I don't think it is a flight legal thing, so you have to check it in your luggage. You cannot carry it in the cabin, so please follow the rules with this multi-tool. You can use it as a home tool, as an outdoor tool, as a camping tool, and you can make the most out of it while being safe, because this is a very safe tool and you can use it very safely and smartly. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and have a great day ahead.